for a very important reason today. First thing I'm going to do is introduce our superintendent, Dr. Gorey. He's going to tell you why we're here, and we are here because of how fantastic everybody in this room is.
Before I talk about why we decided to come together this afternoon, I do want to take a moment and recognize some very, very important people who play a very important role in making sure that your school has all the resources that you need to learn and be successful. And that's our school board members that chose to come out and be with us today. So as I recognize your school board members, if you'll just wave your hand so that they can celebrate you. We have your school board representative, Ms. Mary Travail. You're not here because you're so cute. You're But today you're here for an even more important reason. So you all know about government. You've taken time to learn about government. You know that in the United States we have a president. And in the presidency, the president has cabinets. And one of the cabinets of the president is the Department of Education. Now, in the Department of Education, you have the Secretary of Education. And within the Secretary of Education, they have awards that they give to schools that do outstanding things. Now, there's an award that's designed around schools that have outstanding performances. And what that talks to is that it's schools that, even though you perform well, you continuously improve your performance. You continuously show growth. And today, I'm so excited that we received notification from the U.S. Secretary of Education, Cordova, that Caddo Parish Middle Magnet School will be recognized this year as a National Blue Ribbon School. Congratulations for this being your third time receiving that honor. But I think really important to tell you how important this is that there are a lot of middle schools in this country, but there are only 29 middle schools being recognized in this country with this award. There's a total of 9 schools that are being recognized as National Blue Ribbon schools. And of those 9, you are the only middle school. amazing accomplishment. Something that's really interesting about Ms. DeBus, when I became superintendent 9 years ago, she is the first principal that I hired. I also had opportunity for her to be the principal for my daughter. My daughter went through CMM for 3 years, so I know the quality of work that Ms. DeBus, these amazing teachers put into this school. So I cannot think of a school that is more deserving of this honor. I just want to publicly thank you for your hard work. And please, please, please know that we will be right there to support you. And we're just so happy that we will get to celebrate this amazing school on the national stage. Congratulations to you.
There are schools in this country that will never get this award. So this is a super big deal. And we would not be here without every one of you. All of you work so hard every day. And you give your best. Without all of our students, our staff, our families, we could not do what we do here. And we are the best. We know that. Right? I always say this, but I am so lucky to be able to work with the kids, the faculty, the staff, and the families that I get to work with. And I do appreciate that every day. Now, a few people I want to thank along the way. First of all, we have got great support from our central office. We've got Dr. Gorey, Mr. Burton, Ms. Woolfolk, Mr. Greer, Mr. Howard, who's hiding in the back there, who are always here to help us in all their different areas. Something kind of funny. Mr. Burton was the principal here before me. Mr. Greer and Ms. Woolfolk had both at different times been our director. And we also have to thank our own director, Ms. Guerrero. And I want to thank all of our school board members that Dr. Gorey introduced for being here today. And then I want to thank Dr. Hendrick and Dr. Weber for being here. That said that I was going to have a Zoom conference with Dr. Gorey and Mr. Burton and Ms. Wood, who I forgot. Mary Wood. And so, when you get that calendar invite, like the night before for a Zoom meeting the next morning, it kind of makes your stomach hurt. You're like, oh goodness, what did I do? You know? Well, that's when they let me know that we had been nominated by our state to be a national blue ribbon school. So we were like, yay, we were so excited. Then like that very day, I got an email from the committee, and it had like pages and pages and pages of things that had to be completed. Some of it was like demographic information. Some of it were narratives that we had to write about y'all. And it was all about what all of you do. So then I'm like, and it was all due in April. So then I'm thinking, okay, so how are we going to get all this done? So I put this team together, the dream team, that helped finish, y'all, I'm talking hundreds of thousands of words. More than any essay you've ever written, okay? Good old Jane Schaefer came through for us, okay? Okay, so on that dream team was Dr. Weber, Mr. Guerrero, Sheridan and Miss Vanessa. If you ever have some spare time, you can go to the National Blue Ribbon website and you can read the entire thing we submitted. Now you're going to need a whole lot of time. It's not a book, but it's close, okay? So now we are going to celebrate. Now next week, we're going to have a special day each week. The great thing about that is we won't give them out another year. So only all of us will have one. It's like a special thing. And each morning next week you'll get like a little treat in the homeroom, okay? So